Purchased a few things for my kel-tec today. I got me a stainless steel clip to go on the side of it here. I got me another extra magazine, kel-tec magazine. I went to a Walmart and bought a box of these Remington 380 full metal jackets. I don't really care about hollow points in these little guns. From what I've read, they just cause feeding problems and stuff. So, and the 380 is not really enough to take advantage of a hollow point all that much anyway. I've shot hollow points out of 40s, and they don't seem to even open up that much of 40. Shooting them into wet magazines, actually, they say simulates flesh pretty closely. So I just opted for the rim ball. This is arms cord, but the Remingtons are just like it, 95 grain. Full metal jackets, feed reliably. I'm going to put that on here. As you can see, the belt clip comes with everything you need. Comes with a screw and Allen wrench and the belt clip. I opted for the stainless steel one because my gun slide is stainless. I just thought it would look good. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, I got the old pin out. Got the new pin in. Got the belt clip on there. That pretty good. I used the nail to knock the old pin out, and a pair of pliers to hit on it with. Said to use a small hammer, but I didn't have a small hammer handy, so I just used a nail in that, knocked it out of there, and then I used the end of the old pin to knock this pin all the way down flush where it came out of, where that one came out of, and that worked great. Plus I used the rubber end of the pliers, and now I've got the clip on there, and that'll make carrying this gun so much easier because I can clip it on my jogging pants pocket easy. And when I run, I've got a armband I can clip it on it. Worked out pretty good.